thanks for first for God, you know, and really thanks for park industry. Now at that time, I don't know nothing about fabrication. I know how to sell the product, you know, and I used to farm it out, you know, and they do the templates and they do the installation. I did not have a shop. I don't know what I need. I don't know nothing. I said, oh my God, what did I get myself into? I did not hear anything about park industry before. So I went to the website. It's like for Texas, you know, call Brian. So and the phone number is there. So what I did, I called. He said, well, I am in the airplane coming to Dallas. Sure enough, at 2 o'clock he came. So we got the Hydro Clear and we got the Yukon. Brian, he said, just try, just come to the expo. And I went to Utah. They took us in a tour. I was so impressed, honestly, with others, how they operate. So we got the Sabre. I told them I wish, you know, this Sabre to be a Sabre jet. They said it's coming. Yes, the Sabre jet and the Fastback, I love those two machines. They saved me so much money, so much money. And Brian says, you know, everybody is doing straight, flat edge, get the Fastback. I said, no, I don't want it. I don't want to spend the money. Really, that's the biggest mistake I really have. And I tell everybody, I mean, hey, don't make that mistake I did. I wouldn't live without the Fastback. Period, end of it. No one can tell me I could live without it. I am with 5 employees, 1,500 square feet a week. 5 times as much what we used to make before, with no pressure, with no overtime, with no 12 people. They proved to me and to my team they are the best. Love the American made, and it's a family operated, same as us, the quality of machines and the customer service. If something happened, I want to be able to talk to someone local. I cannot call somebody overseas to come after 3 weeks or a month. Well, I have customer service I need to meet, and I need to take care of my customers. And that's the number one reasons I will choose park industry. I will be loyal to park industry for what park industry did to me. I mean, Brian, he really did so good to me. Actually built the business for me without, like, he's being a partner, and I really appreciate it. And I am not saying this because I am in an interview with park industry. I say it because it's really, it is in the bottom of my heart.